Eco-schemes. This word has been used in all possible grammatical cases by farmers in recent years. For many farmers, it's not just a way to obtain significant subsidies, but above all, a more sustainable and environmentally friendly way of running a farm. Rolmako brand considers practices within eco-schemes as the future of agriculture, which is why it has set itself the goal of providing its customers with top-class, no-plow and ultra-shallow cultivation machines. Which Rolmako tools are most commonly chosen for implementing eco-schemes? Primarily, the multifunctional U436 cultivator, an excellent alternative to the plow. This agricultural machine has versatile applications for stubble cultivation, intense mixing of post-harvest residues at medium depth, shallow pre-sowing cultivation, as well as deep soil loosening and traditional cultivation systems. The versatile purpose of the no-plow U436 cultivator stems from the fact that the device is essentially a combination of cultivation tools. It allows for single-pass cultivation, thereby reducing the time required for soil processing and significantly cutting fuel costs. The U436 cultivator comes in many different variants, allowing for the perfect selection of accessories for the field and the type of cultivation. The no-plow 3-beam unit from Rolmako comes in many different versions, including hydraulically foldable and semi-mounted, with dozens of additional equipment options and a whole range of alternative rear rollers. The unit's tines are mounted on 3 beams, offering the ability to work at various depths from 5 to 35 cm. The working elements come in 3 options: boron steel, welded and cemented carbide. A large clearance under the frame prevents the unit from clogging. Its armored construction makes it unnecessary to add extra weight when working at greater depths or on heavy soils. The cultivator can be equipped with different shapes of shears and mold boards to adjust it to field and crop needs. When it comes to selecting finishing rows, customers most often opt for the U-ring tandem and V-ring, so-called roof type, which perform excellently in heavier cultivation conditions, but also allow for cultivation on sandy soils. These types of devices are heavy and long, therefore they often require the front of the tractor to be weighted with ballast, sometimes even over 1,200 kilograms. Rolmako's next proposal is the U624 chisel plow, also colloquially known as a subsoiler. It is designed to improve soil structure both vertically and horizontally in the root zone. The rear rollers help incorporate post-harvest residues into the topsoil, increasing the amount of organic matter. It is an excellent tool to replace the traditional plow, as it loosens the soil without turning it over. Adjustable side wings provide further soil loosening across the entire working width of the tool, and the spike roller behind the tines immediately levels the ground. The U624 chisel plow breaks through impervious soil layers, helping to avoid waterlogging and facilitating root growth for plants. The machine has well-distributed weight, so it can work at greater depths even in hard soil. The large clearance under the frame prevents tall clogging, and the shape of the tines allows simultaneous tillage and mixing of crop residues. After just one pass, the field is loosened, aerated, leveled, and prepared for further tillage operations. The standard equipment of the chisel plow includes a ripper tine with side cutters and a boron steel shear, as well as a double-spiked roller with a diameter of 560 mm with hydraulic depth adjustment. The frame is protected from damage, for example hitting a stone, as the working elements have a shear bolt or an optional non-stop hydraulic safety system. In addition, the chisel plow can be equipped, among other things, with welded or cemented carbide chisels, side shields for leveling, or additional side smoothing rollers. The U624 is not the only chisel plow model. The offer includes two other variants, the lighter U624 Lite and the heavy chisel plow U624 Deep Tiller, which can operate deeper up to 65% below the field surface. The SpeedCutter disc harrow for ultra-shallow cultivation is our next proposition. This harrow is designed to work at a minimal depth, which is even 2 cm. After replacing the disc with a classic one with a diameter of 560 mm, this harrow can work up to a depth of 15 cm, making it very versatile. Shallow cultivation interrupts water evaporation and promotes the emergence of volunteers and weeds, while allowing for quick tillage at a low cost. The wavy geometry of the discs facilitates work even on rape stubble, cereal stubble, and after plowing, and helps in shredding cover crops. The tool's design makes it insusceptible to large amounts of crop residues, and long-life rubber spring elements allow the discs to adapt to the ground, protecting the frame and ensuring the maintenance-free protection without reducing the working speed. The SpeedCutter disc harrow comes in various variants. Rolmako customers often use a combination of the ProCut knife roller at the front and the SpeedCutter harrow at the back. The disc harrow itself can be equipped with a front knife roller, which is especially useful for difficult to cultivate catch crops. The standard equipment of the harrow includes rubber shock absorbers, maintenance-free agri-hub hubs, and a 500 mm pipe roller. Harrow widths of 5-6 meters also feature a pneumatic brake and mounted machines shield protecting the tractor from stones. In every version, the working depth is hydraulically adjustable. Optional equipment includes as many as several different accessories and finishing rollers. Rolmako offers a wide range of machines for ultra-shallow soil cultivation, such as knife rollers, disc harrows, rotary harrows, mulching harrows, or cultivators. Why is it worth using Rolmako machines for no-plow and ultra-shallow cultivation? All Rolmako machines used for ultra-shallow and no-plow cultivation are designed so that the farmer can best take care of their field, provide plants with optimal growth conditions, and perform as many tillage operations as possible in one pass. Using them brings economic and environmental benefits on various levels. It ensures better soil condition, reduces fuel consumption and greenhouse gas emissions, and improves yields. Rolmako offers innovative machines with great customization options to meet client requirements, plus proven models that have successfully cultivated land from Africa to Australia. In the catalog at rolmako.com technical, you will find transport dimensions, working elements dimensions, and distances between them, everything you should know when looking for a machine for yourself. Rolmako is not only a producer of agricultural equipment, but also a partner who understands the needs of farmers. Thanks to its flexibility and durability, it is a reliable choice that brings success in farming from Africa to Australia. The technical catalog is a comprehensive source of information that makes it easier to choose the best cultivation machine. We are curious which of the previously mentioned devices you think would be most useful on your farm. Or maybe you are planning to expand your machine park soon with one of the no-plow or ultra-shallow cultivation devices? Let us know in the comments. We would love to read if you plan to develop your farms in this direction.